my channel. So today is Wednesday here in California. So I'm going to share you guys what our Wednesday routine with Jack. So today's Wednesday, we're going to Ocean Beach or OB. There's a market in there. So it's like a food market in Ocean Beach. So it's really nice. It looks like there's no COVID around there. There's a lot of hobos and hippies.
A lot of hobos.
Yeah, with dogs and everything. So I'll show you around, guys, when we get there in Ocean Beach. It's really nice out, guys. It's super sunny. So I just finished work and Jack as well. So this is kind of our Wednesday routine for a change. We love home cooked food, but we always do this every Wednesday now. So I'll show you around. The tricky part of this thing is hard to find some parking lot because they're full. So what are you gonna have for tonight, my love?
Euro sandwich.
Gonna have a Euro sandwich. I think I'm gonna have a Filipino again. So
Really?
They have a Filipino food out there.
You get the Filipino food every time.
I know.
Why don't we just go to Tita's?
Tita's is far away. So guys, this is the Ocean Beach. It's a really cold town. So now it's all outdoor restaurants. That's the market out there, guys. It's a huge one. We're going to find a parking lot and we can walk around the
Not
market.
a parking spot there, but I'm pretty sure the van wouldn't be here when we got back if I parked it there.
Oh boy. So that market is so popular. If you're gonna go there late, like 6, it's super long queue outside. So it's better to go there, guys, like early than 5:30. Time check is already like 3:45. So it's early dinner for us, but we're just gonna walk around for a bit. Oh yeah, it's really cool. I mean, it's not really cheap as well, but it's just for once a week, you know, for a change. And you can get different kinds of food, and there's a lot of fruits and vegetables, organic, and some different other stuff. So I'll show you. So that's the part, it's the entrance of the market. There's a lot of store. Here is the rest of the town. So we're still looking for a parking spot. I don't know if we can find a closer one. So this is like a COVID-free
Yeah.
COVID-free place, guys.
COVID's over in OB. They've got way more, they got way different diseases to worry about here.
Yeah, guys, we're here now, so we're just paid for parking because we can't find a free parking lot. So we're just gonna walk to the market. So we're here now, guys, in the market. So we're just gonna go inside the entrance. We're looking for it. It's super busy now.
Oh, it's pretty crowded already.
Yeah, it's so crowded inside. So we're just gonna, there's no queue, but like still crowded inside. So we're gonna go in. Oh, here we go. So here is inside the market. So
Videoing?
yeah. Good. I'm so small,
You're small.
so I don't know what to get. You want small or large? Pancit.
Oh, maybe the small. I just want a big adobo and rice. Is all I want. Yeah.
Small na lang po. What do you mean small? Then large adobo with rice. There's no skewers.
Aw.
10 to 15 minutes.
Mmm. And they'll be hot and fresh.
yeah.
Yeah, we want to get some of those.
Okay.
Can we just order a couple and pick them up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pwede. We got a Filipino. He changed his mind.
What'd you get?
I get
We got a bunch of adobo and rice, right?
I got some adobo with rice, pancit, lumpia, toron, and the barbecue. Are you happy?
Pretty warm.
Which one is gonna eat now? Oh boy. Guys, we're going back to the car. We're gonna eat our Filipino food. It's super long queue right now. We're gonna try out the food. I got barbecue and everything. And Jack is super excited on his adobo.
Oh, I'm hungry.
He's super hungry. Hey guys, we're here in the van right now and we're gonna eat our food from the market. So we just end up getting a Filipino food. Jack changed his mind. So Filipino food is my choice. So what is that? Is that a pork?
I think so.
So we got barbecue, we got chicken and pork barbecue. It's really fresh, guys. It's still smoking. I got some pancit. I got some turon and a fresh lumpia. So this is our third batch of lumpia, guys.
Here we got the.
Oh boy, he got chicken adobo with the rice. A lot of things to do here, but we're not gonna stay here for long. So this is kind of our thing every Wednesday. So this is our Wednesday dinner out. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time on our vlog.